Yesterday's rain position in Sal and in the Tilari project was only because of the heavy rains in the catchment of Tilari command area. So all the rains which are accumulated in the between the dam and the Goa border has come in the this one Goa in the Chapura river, and which are resulted into the flooding in some part of Sal village. Actually, at present, the gates were not open all of a sudden. Gates were open only as per the gate operation schedule, and whatever rainwater is coming in the catchment of upstream of the Tilari Dam, that was coming, and around 615 cubic of water was coming to Goa, which was earlier in between 200 to 400 cubic, because earlier it was 200, then they raised it to 400, and as the rain increases it came up to 615 cubic of water. And we are monitoring the river level of Tilari frequently, and we have seen that the Tilari level, water level, is much below the danger level. So there should not be any panic, and we are always discussing with the counterpart or master project authorities that whenever they are releasing the water, they should inform us in advance, and whenever they are increasing the spillway discharge also, they are informing us. And my executive engineer is personally going to the dam site at Konalghatta and monitoring it.
So this flood has not because of plates and all.
The flood is only yesterday the situation has occurred only because of the excess rain in the catchment of the Tilari Tilari catchment area. So whatever they were telling that they were retaining some part of the water and balance part they were releasing down. Means it was coming down through the spillway. As the gates were open, even earlier also in the month of June, July also gates were open. They have not closed the gate this season, and they will, as per the schedule, they will close the gates as our rains goes down.
So your department don't inform the locals regarding the any water increase in the this thing come.
We inform to the actually we are in always touch with the revenue authorities and the people, so that all people are made aware of this, because we cannot go to individual person to inform. We inform to the revenue authorities, and we are in proper coordination. We are managing both the things.
But local were very upset that they were saying कि department have not informed anything regarding
Plate opening and all, something flooding.
Plate opening means plate opening, the question of plate opening has not come, because this we are not open it yesterday. It was the gates were already open. So Tilari Saddle Dam gates were already open earlier also, and through only the rainwater, excess rainwater has come down. So this rainwater only, because of the rainwater in the upper catchment as well as the downstream catchment of the Tilari Dam, as this one resulted in the excess water level in the Sal river. Actually, in Anjane Dam, the Anjane also around our level is 93.2, but at present 91 meter water level is there, and we are releasing around 26 cubic of water through Anjane, and that considering the low tide and all, because we are monitoring the levels at Sal, this Sakli river and Bicholim river, and whenever these levels are monitored properly, we do the pumping, and our 24/7 pumping is also going on at Sakli and if required at Bicholim also. So it is well within the control at even Anjaneyam Dam. Salali, it is Salali, it is already in July only it has started overflowing, and it is even more than our level is 41.15. Now at present 42 meter level is there. 108% dam is overflowing now. Means it is more than the capacity the dam is full. As regards to Amtane and Panchwadi and Chapoli, the dams are overflowing, and we are continuously monitoring the levels.
so any risk due to this overflow?
which
the dams are, you're saying कि dams are already
see,
overflowed.
the dams are overflowing, but the waters are regulated through our canals and all. So there is no means, it is now we are seeing that even if the excess water comes from the dam, it is regulated through our canals, and we are seeing that and the nearby rivers. And so we are always taking revenue authorities in confidence and informing them well in advance.
About तिलारी आता कंटिन्यूस सेकंड इयर हा प्रॉब्लेम होतो त्या पाणीचा. ॲज अ WIT प्रिकॉशन काय घेतलं असं?
नाही ॲक्च्युली गेल्या वर्षी लास्ट इयर जो तिलारीला प्रॉब्लेम झाला होता तो ॲक्च्युली प्रॉब्लेम झाला होता तेव्हा गेट बंद होते आणि त्यांनी बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सेस पाऊस पडला तो सोडण्यासाठी त्यांना गेट ओपन करावे लागले होते. पण यावेळी गेट ओपन असल्यामुळं जेवढं पावसाचं पाणी येईल तेवढं पावसाच्या पाण्याचं 20% ते रिटर्न करून बाकीचं पाणी आम्हाला पाठवत होते आणि त्यांनी सांगितले की पाऊस त्यांच्या हातामध्ये नाही आहे, ते कंट्रोल करू शकत नाहीत, त्यामुळे त्यांना तिला चापोरा रिव्हरला ते पाणी अकोमोडेट करून घ्यावं लागेल. See, in the case of emergency, we will see that all people are. We have formed actually, you know, that in the present world we have formed the group and we inform the people well in advance. Means our the officers who are managing, we are controlling all these situations. We are informing well in advance, and whenever required, we are keeping our pumping and all everything in working condition.
Because of the Tilari overflow, agriculture wise, sir.
The agriculture wise, the damages will be informed by the by valuation done by the zonal agriculture officers. We are as a precautionary measure and as this one yesterday only I have spoken to Director of Agriculture and we have informed them that please send your zonal agriculture officers, and he has agreed that as the water level goes down from the fields, he will inform the JDOs to go and ascertain the damages and make a proper valuation, and with the approval of the government the compensations will be paid.